Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best replacement battery for APC UPS units, the UPC upgrade parts company APCRBC124-UPC. If you're looking to extend the life of your APC-backed UPS Pro or Smart UPS-C, this battery pack might be exactly what you need. It's a 9 amp-hour, 24-volt sealed lead-acid battery that ensures reliable power backup for your devices during outages. What sets this battery apart is that it's a complete assembly, including all the necessary connectors, cables, fuses, and a sturdy metal enclosure. This makes installation straightforward and hassle-free, even if you're not a technical expert. The battery's sealed lead-acid design means it's maintenance-free with a suspended electrolyte, so you don't have to worry about spills or refills. It's engineered to operate efficiently between temperatures of 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers most indoor environments. Plus, its compact dimensions of roughly 8 by 6 by 3 inches and weight of just over 11 pounds make it manageable to handle during replacement. One of the key highlights is that this battery pack is assembled in the USA, giving you confidence in the quality and craftsmanship. On top of that, it comes with an 18-month warranty from UPC, so you have peace of mind knowing the product is backed for performance and reliability. In terms of compatibility, this battery fits directly as a replacement cartridge for many APC-backed UPS Pro models like the BR1300G and BR1500G, as well as Smart UPS-C models such as the SMC1000-2UC. If you have any of these UPS models, this battery is designed to slide right in and work without modifications. UPC Upgrade Parts Company has been manufacturing UPS replacement batteries for over 15 years, and they pride themselves on quality testing and affordable pricing. Their focus on ready availability and direct factory pricing makes this battery an attractive alternative to more expensive original manufacturer options. If you're concerned about installation, UPC provides a detailed installation manual to guide you step by step, ensuring you can replace the battery safely and quickly. The replacement process typically involves sliding the battery pack out and then sliding the new one in place, with connectors designed to match perfectly for easy connection. All in all, the UPC APCRBC124-UPC replacement battery offers a great balance of compatibility, reliability, and ease of use. It's a maintenance-free, sealed lead-acid battery with ample capacity to keep your UPS running smoothly. If your APC UPS is showing low battery warnings or not holding charge like it used to, this battery can restore your backup power without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Stay powered up, and see you in the next video.